Whakatau Pōtiki, Mahuhu. Whakatau Pōtiki was an inspirational leader, protector and role model who provided for his people of Hawaii with a garden that had the sweetest kumara.
He had 2 sons, Rongomai and Rongoatu. They were very close siblings, but they argued about everything, even about who their mother loved best.
As the brothers got older, they fell in love with the same woman, and even quarrelled about that.
The people of Hawaii flourished under Whakatau Pōtiki, and soon the land became overpopulated. Hawaii struggled for resources, and both sons argued about who would run the garden.
Both sons wanted to run the garden. Rongomai and Rongoatu argued during the blessing of the soil before the food was planted, known as Mahuhu.
This upset their father. He asked his older son Rongomai to make things right. Whakatau Pōtiki suggested that Rongomai leave Hawaii to search for new land.
Rongomai said,
If I give up my wealth and all that I love to Rongoatu, I must get something in return. Father, come with me on this quest, and we'll find the new land for our people together.
The brothers came to peace as Rongomai and his father began planning their voyage. They named their boat Mahuhu Kitirangi in honour of the gardens. On top of a cliff, the brothers said farewell.
E te tuakana, my older brother, may your canoe serve as a younger sibling for you, and may you remember me,
said Rongoatu. Rongomai replied,
E taku tēnā, my younger sibling, may the great gardens of Hawaii serve as an older brother for you.
Inspired by Kupe the great explorer, Whakatau Pōtiki and Rongomai then set sail for new lands.